The Great Pyramid of Egypt in Cairo, 10 facts and details that are not particularly well known. The Great Pyramid of Giza has been one of the most mysterious structures for centuries. It's truly one of the most magnificent ancient structures on the face of our planet, and there are countless details about it that are worth mentioning. Today there are many questions that remain unanswered about the accuracy of its structure. Just imagine, how was it possible for people to build the theoretical building that in total weighs 6 million tons? The answer has not been given and probably never will be, a fact that leaves room for all kinds of conspiracy theories. Even aliens, extraterrestrials, have been touted as a possible explanation behind the flawless perfection of the square base. A research team led by engineer Glenn Dash in collaboration with Egyptologist Mark Lerner tried to confirm the perfect dimensions of the Great Pyramid discovered in subversive element about it. The two sides of the pyramid are not equal. Of course, the difference between them is only a few centimeters. In fact, the east side was estimated between 230.295 to 230.337 meters, while the west side was about 230.378 to 230.436 meters. The west side can be as much as 14 centimeters longer than the east side. A side that is extremely small if we consider the overall dimensions, but also the time when the building was built. It's questionable whether we would have had better or worse results today. But why did the scientists estimate the lengths instead of using the sophisticated technology at their disposal to measure them with maximum accuracy? Measuring the sides is not a simple matter, since over the years its exterior has changed. When building, the pyramid was lined with an outer shell of limestone. Over the centuries, the outer shell was stripped away for use in other building projects and left the pyramid as we see it now. Somehow, the pyramid began to become uneven, hiding its slightest imperfections behind the ravages of time. The scientists were able to find 84 points from the original boundaries of the pyramid, thus forming their estimate. The 14 centimeters, however, are in no way capable of demystifying the masterpiece of Egyptian culture. Instead, what they do with complete success is to overemphasize the feat of the Egyptians, to show that the pyramid is not something perfect or something divine, something unimaginable by the human mind or impossible for human hands. It's simply an excessively good building, which, like everything else, contains the slightest imperfection. The strangest example of the flowering of human civilization. The shape of the pyramid and its dimensions also hide many properties and many astronomical elements. Let's look at them one by one. 1. The height of the pyramid is 147.649 meters, and the length of each side is 231.927 meters. By dividing 4 times the side, hence the circumference we know the constant number that we multiply by the diameter of a circle to find its circumference. 2. The weight of the pyramid, which is 5,273,000 tons, with the addition of 15 zeros, gives us the weight of the Earth. I mean, look at this. 3. The ratio of the perimeter, hence 4 at 231,927 equals 927,708. To the height of the pyramid, 147,649 gives us 6,283, hence 2 pi, as well as the ratio of the radius of the Earth's poles to its circumference. 4. If we multiply the height of the pyramid by 10 and raise the product to the 9th power, we will find the Earth-Sun distance. That is 91,837,484 miles. 5. The EP ratio that experts say appears in the Quince pyramid on the planet Mars is equal to 2.718 over 3.141, which is equal to 0.8653, where the tangent minus 1 is 40.85, which is the latitude of the Pyramid of Mars. So how is it that this Great Pyramid of Giza is tied in with the pyramid on Mars? While the cosine minus 1 is 30.1, which is the latitude of the Pyramid of Giza. The shape is also considered not to be accidental, according to the researchers that have been done. Has been found that it is in this shape there is a biocosmic energy which is responsible, for example, for the faster growth of the plant that is inside it, as opposed to another one that is except it has also been shown to contribute to the dehydration of meats. All of the above proves how complex and mysterious and full of surprises the Great Pyramid of Giza really is. This is from Apocalypse John. I've translated this for you from a Greek article. So basically the new fact that we learn from this is that this pyramid ties in with the pyramids of Giza, of Mars on the Cydonia Plateau. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.